Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out new arrivals on the Alibaba application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option. Then scroll down till you find the new arrivals section and click on this arrow pointing to the right direction in order to see more of the arrivals. Here you can select from the trend highlights. So if you click on this arrow again, you are going to be able to select from categories such as home and garden, luggage, bags, cases, sports, entertainment, toys, hobbies, apparel, shoes, accessories, fashion accessories, and so on. So click on the relevant one that interests you. And here you will be able to see the products organized into subcategories. Tap on the relevant one and see all of the results that you can choose from. So you are free to browse among these results. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.